Hey everyone, this is Jason with Life After the Before Photo. I'd hoped to come to you today with a very uplifting and great video of American life as seen through the positive view of Norman Rockwell. Unfortunately, that video is going to be delayed until tomorrow because a few things have happened recently, and today I woke up and found out that my dear friend Justin Grimes, who many of you are following me because of him, his warehouse burned down today. It's something him, his family, his employees have worked on for years, and not only the warehouse but all of the everything in it was lost. It's heartbreaking, and apparently they may even think it's arson, but obviously don't know that for sure yet. My heart breaks for him, even though, well, first off, thank God no one was hurt. He was insured, but that insurance is not going to cover everything, and it's certainly not going to replace the years of his life he put into that. So I'm going to ask you today, starting off, I want you to encourage you to put, I'm going to put a link below for a GoFundMe. Please make sure to do that. If you've got just a few dollars and you can help out Justin, please do. He needs to rebuild. He's got several employees that count on him. And then I'm going to ask you to remember this when things, I mean, I'm not saying someone always has it worse. That's certainly not true. Justin is a very, very blessed man in so many ways, even with this, because he's got a wonderful family, he's got great kids, and great friends, and a huge community and a growing community on YouTube. And I believe God is going to use this to create the greatest YouTube series ever through him. And he is going to use it to the glory of God. This is what I told him earlier. And we know that God says all things work for the good of those who love him. And Justin loves God, and so I know this will be used for good. I don't see how yet. Well, I partially see how. I know part of it's going to be he's going to be able to use it in his YouTube channel. But please do that. You know, everybody's freaked out about the coronavirus right now, but the truth is, you never know when. Sorry, my hand is really shaky right now. You never know when something can happen. You never know when something is going to change in your life and immediately. So that's why we need reminders to love and to hug our loved ones, to be there, to live a life of the way that in a way that will create a legacy that our kids will be proud of, even if that's just going to work proudly every day and providing for them. And so and I'm also going to ask you to, while you're praying and for Justin, also be in prayer for my mom. She actually runs a tour company, which for school kids, they do school trips. And obviously everybody's freaked out about the coronavirus. I'm talking to a lot of officials, and everyone says they think all of it is very, a lot of people are overreacting right now. I mean, it's always good to be cautious. Please don't take that as me saying there's not to be cautious, but you should definitely do that. And, but they think that what we're about to see from the elected officials and medical professionals I'm talking to is you're about to see a skyrocketing rate of coronavirus, just because we're about to start testing it, because most people just feel like it's the cold, and because it's not really that effective unless you're much older. And you're going to see the mortality rate plummet when that happens, because you'll see a lot more cases, because the only people actually being tested right now are the very elderly or those that traveled. So it's not near as severe as I think the media is making out to be, but it is. But of course, we always want to take precaution in all that we do. So, but people are canceling their trips. People are canceling their lives in a lot of ways right now. Don't do that. You never know what's going to happen. But be in prayer for my mom as well with that. And I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for, I know that you have a heart for and love for Justin just like I do. And if you don't know Justin, I'm going to put a link right here so you can see the tour I actually did of that warehouse, and the link below goes to his channel and also a link to his GoFundMe page. Thanks again, guys. Love you. And tomorrow that other video will be out, and a very, very positive outlook on American life through one of our greatest artists, Norman Rockwell. Thanks.